Hey there, how you doing today? It's Gary from Owner's Pride, the owner of the shop. I just did a course for Adam with Tint Academy today in December. It was a great course. You learned a lot. He really was interactive. Any problems you had, he could answer the questions, help you out. And it was just a very informative course.
Hi guys, my name's TJ. I'm from Montreal, and I just finished doing the tinting course. I came all the way out to Ottawa in order to do it with Adam and with Tint Academy. What I realized about the course is that this skill, this trade is very meticulous, and that you can't learn this trade off like YouTube videos and stuff like that. So it's really need to learn the tips and tricks in order to have a successful tint. It was an amazing course. I'm very happy that I took it. And I can't wait to start tinting.
I'm Morgan McQuarrie from Make It Shine Inc. from Prince Edward Island. Came down to do the private course for window tinting to add to our lineup. Also we went and did the PPF course privately to add to our lineup. Definitely worth it. Highly recommend anybody who wants to get into window tinting and PPF to take the course with Tint Academy.